The most decadent breakfast granola you'll ever eat. I've got 5 cups of rolled oats. To it, I'm going to add a cup of maple syrup and a cup of olive oil. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna roast these guys in the oven, and then later, we're gonna add the nuts, the walnuts and the almonds. And between the sweetness of the maple syrup and the flavor of the olive oil, you get this intensely crunchy little snacks from the oats. So they're sweet, but they're also rich. So it's a combo of the two, and I think that's what makes this so special. Mix it all together. We're gonna put it in the baking sheet and bake it in the oven. I've got my beautiful banana bread over there, just cooling, so the house smells really good. And we wanna bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna add the nuts. So let's get this in the oven. So as you can see, my oats are toasted. They're super crunchy. So now it's time to add 1 cup of raw almonds. So add that right in there. And 1 cup of raw walnuts. There we go. You can add whatever kind of nuts you like. We're gonna pop this back in the oven for another 30 minutes, and then when it's cool, we're gonna add the glorious chocolate chips. So my granola is done, toasted all of the nuts and the oats, and it's cooled. So now it's time to add a cup of the bittersweet chocolate chips. Just mix it so that the chocolate can incorporate with the rest of the granola. All right, so my friends should be here soon, and I'm really excited to do this little breakfast chocolate party.